What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Last year back with another video. For today's video, guys, we're going to be installing Windows on a MacBook. This is a MacBook Air M1. So we're going to be installing Windows, and we're going to be installing Windows running Parallel on a Mac. So the first thing, obviously, you have to download Parallel. So I'm going to put a link down below for you to be able to download Parallel. And this, I'm going to be downloading Windows on Parallel using their own online packet. So I'm not going to be downloading the PVM. So I'm going to click on download and install Windows right now, which is going to allow me to be able to install Windows 11 on my MacBook. So this is probably going to take a few minutes or a few hours, so you should probably expect to get around 20 to 30 minutes to be exactly be able to run Windows on your MacBook and MacBook Air. And also in Parallel, you obviously have to pay for it. If you're a college student, that should probably be easy for you because it's probably provided in your course and you'll be able to get it for free. And also in Windows, you also need a Windows key to be able to run. So it's just going to be running like Windows on your MacBook, but you need everything that you probably need if you bought a PC while running. So I'm just going to speed up the video and I'll meet you guys when the process is obviously almost done. So guys, as you guys are able to see, the installation is now complete of Windows 11 on Parallel. So I'm going just to run the software and be able to show you that it's actually running right now on my Windows, on my laptop, on my M1 PC. And as you guys are able to see, Parallel Windows installed successfully, and this is the website. And now the next step that you obviously have to do is just installing the activation key for Parallel. If you have one, you can just put on your activation key for Parallel, and also for Windows you also have to put your activation key for Windows to be able to use all the features that are running on Windows on here. And the application is just running properly, or the application you can run all the application that you probably want on Windows right now. Just make sure that you have enough storage to exactly be able to run all the softwares and all the application that you need to be able to run on your Windows machine. So if you just install your Windows key on your MacBook, you'll be able to get almost everything. I've also tried to install other application on my Windows while it's running on Parallel, and almost everything is running properly. The only issue that I run into is just memory, so that's the only thing that I'm struggling with right now. But if you have a big enough PC where your problem is not memory, you should be able to run this smoothly and everything will be able to just go as you probably expect. So again, I repeat, the only thing that you probably need is your Windows key. Everything should be able to run just as you probably want. As you guys are able to see, you can literally go and install all the other applications that you probably want. I've also tried AutoCAD, which is the application that I'm obviously using. It's for Windows and it's just running smoothly, and I don't really need anything else. So if you don't have enough money to buy another PC, this is definitely a good option for you guys to be able to run Windows and run all the application that you probably need to be running on Windows, and use all that combined only in one PC. And if this video was really helpful to you, if it helped you be able to install Windows and on your MacBook, and if you were successful in doing that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. And I'll be able to see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.